starting on Gumroad is like opening the door to a new business venture. It's a powerful platform that's designed to help creators, whether they're selling digital products, courses, or even physical items, connect directly with their customers. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to Gumroad.com and sign up for an account. Gumroad makes it easy to get started by allowing you to sign up with your Google, Facebook, or an email account. The sign-up process is quick and simple, and after completing it, you'll be directed to your new Gumroad dashboard. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by an intuitive dashboard that gives you an overview of your products, sales, and analytics. This is your control center where you'll be managing everything related to your shop. The first task here is setting up your payment processor. Gumroad supports both PayPal and Stripe, so you can choose the one that works best for you. Linking these accounts will ensure that your funds are processed smoothly when customers make a purchase. Remember to verify your accounts with both PayPal and Stripe to ensure there are no delays in receiving payments. Once your payment method is sorted, head over to the Settings section and fine-tune your shop profile. This is where you can add your business name, a profile picture, and a bio that tells customers who you are and what you offer. It's always a good idea to give a little insight into what drives you and why you're passionate about the products you sell. This helps build trust with your customers and makes your shop feel more personal. Also, add your branding elements, like your logo, any colors that align with your brand, and anything else that makes your shop feel like you. Now that your shop is ready to go, it's time to add your very first product. To start, head to your dashboard and click the Add New Product button. Gumroad gives you several options here. You can sell digital products, such as ebooks, PDFs, courses, audio files, or you can sell physical products. If you're just starting out, digital products are an excellent choice because they require no inventory, shipping, or handling. So let's focus on creating a digital product for now. Once you choose your product type, you'll be asked to enter some key details like the name and description of the product. Let's start with the name. Think of the name as your product's first impression. You want it to be clear, concise, and attention-grabbing. Avoid overly complicated or vague names. If you're selling a recipe book, for example, a title like Quick and Easy Weeknight Dinners for Busy Families immediately gives your audience a clear idea of what they're getting. It highlights the main focus of the book, quick and simple meals, while appealing directly to busy families. A descriptive name not only informs potential buyers about the content, but also helps them find your book when searching for something that meets their needs. Including key terms like weeknight dinners, quick, and busy families increases the likelihood of your book appearing in relevant search results, boosting its visibility. A thoughtful title serves as both a marketing tool and a promise to your audience, ensuring they know exactly what to expect and that the product is tailored to their specific lifestyle or challenges. This approach increases the chances of your book standing out in a competitive market and attracting customers who are looking for convenient solutions to fit into their hectic lives. Next, you'll want to set your price. Pricing is always one of the trickiest parts of selling, especially when you're just starting. Take a moment to think about the value your product provides to customers. If it's a highly specialized product or a guide that took you weeks to develop, it might justify a higher price. If you're unsure, a pay-what-you-want model might work well, especially if you're just building your audience. For example, you can set a minimum price of $6 and let people pay more if they feel your product is worth it. Once your price is set, it's time to upload your product. This could be a PDF, an audio file, or whatever type of digital product you're selling. Gumroad makes it simple by allowing you to drag and drop your file, and it supports files as large as 16 gigabytes. Plenty of space for even large video courses or bundles. If you're selling a digital bundle or multiple files, you can group them into a zip file, making it easier for your customers to download everything at once. Another essential element here is the cover image. This image should represent your product visually, and it's one of the first things potential customers will see. You don't need to hire a designer. There are tools like Canva or Adobe Spark where you can create high-quality cover images in minutes. A good cover image communicates your product's value at a glance. Once your file is uploaded and your cover image is set, it's time to focus on the product description. This is where you get to tell your audience why your product is amazing and how it will benefit them. The description is your chance to paint a picture of how your product will make their lives better. People don't just buy products, they buy solutions to problems. Whether your product is helping people get more organized, improve their fitness, or learn new skills, make sure the description reflects that. Here's a tip: focus on the benefits, not just the features. Instead of saying, "This cookbook features 50 recipes," you could say, "Discover 50 delicious, time-saving recipes that will transform your weeknight dinners." This approach goes beyond just listing the number of recipes and focuses on the value the customer will gain. It emphasizes convenience by using phrases like time-saving and appeals to busy individuals looking for quick meal solutions. The phrase "transform your weeknight dinner" suggests that the book offers more than just recipes. It promises to improve their daily routine. This type of language helps to create a deeper connection with potential customers by showing them how the product can fit into and enhance their lifestyle, rather than just describing what's inside the book. Describe exactly how your product will solve a problem or make life easier for your potential customers. If you have testimonials or reviews, add them here too. Social proof is powerful. When people see that others have enjoyed and benefited from your product, they're more likely to purchase. Also, consider including examples or previews of your product, whether it's a page from your ebook, a clip from a video, or a sneak peek of your course. These tangible examples can increase buyer confidence. And don't forget to include FAQ sections. If you know your customers might have questions, address them directly in the description. This can save you time answering customer inquiries later and helps potential buyers feel more comfortable with their purchase. Before your product goes live, you'll need to ensure that everything works perfectly. Double-check your file uploads to make sure there are no issues. For instance, if you're selling a PDF, download the file and open it to verify that all links work, all pages are formatted correctly, and the content looks good on screen. If you're selling a course or a video, watch it from start to finish to ensure there are no errors. Gumroad lets you upload and manage multiple files for a single product. If your product consists of a series of documents or lessons, it's a good idea to group them in a zip folder. That way, customers can easily download everything at once, and you won't need to worry about managing multiple downloads. Once you've uploaded everything, it's always a good idea to download your own product and test the entire customer experience, from purchase to download. If you plan to update your product down the road, Gumroad makes it easy. You can always go back and upload a new version of your product if you discover errors or want to add extra content. Pricing doesn't stop at your product's price. Gumroad offers a number of flexible payment options. You can also experiment with the pay-what-you-want model. While it can be risky, it's often a good strategy for new creators looking to build an audience and trust. For example, you could set the minimum price to $6 but let customers pay more if they wish to show extra support. It's a great way to get your product into more hands without turning people away who might not have the full amount to spend. Now that your product is live, it's time to promote it. Simply having your product on Gumroad isn't enough. You need to actively work on spreading the word and attracting customers. Start by sharing your product link on your social media accounts. Platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook are excellent for promoting your digital products. Create engaging posts that show the value of your product. Email marketing is another highly effective tool. If you've been building an email list, this is your opportunity to let subscribers know about your new product. Send out a launch email, offering them a discount or exclusive content. If you don't have an email list yet, start building one. Gumroad offers integrations with MailChimp and other email marketing platforms, so you can easily collect and nurture leads. Partnering with influencers or creators in your niche can also help you get the word out. Reach out to influencers whose audience would benefit from your product and ask if they'd be interested in promoting it. In exchange, you could offer them a free product or set up an affiliate agreement where they earn a commission for each sale they drive. Once your product is live and making sales, it's time to track your performance. Gumroad provides robust analytics that allow you to see how many views your product page is getting, how many people are clicking the buy button, and of course, how many purchases you've made. You can also track where your customers are coming from, whether it's social media, search engines, or direct links. Pay attention to these insights so you can adjust your marketing efforts accordingly. If you're seeing traffic but no sales, maybe your product page needs some tweaks, or perhaps the pricing is too high. Use these metrics to your advantage and optimize your approach. Lastly, customer feedback is invaluable. After a sale, reach out to your customers, thank them for their purchase, and ask them for a review or feedback. If they've enjoyed your product, ask if they'd be willing to recommend it to a friend or share their experience online. Building a successful Gumroad shop isn't an overnight endeavor, but with patience, consistency, and a strategic approach, you can grow your business.